So, Sean just shared this yesterday with me about a tip he uses when he records his tutorials. It's pretty simple and it's pretty clever. That because he records everything like in one go, uh, it's easier when if he does like a sound like this, or a yell, or a whistle or something, that on edit time he can reference to, and help him to find the right section of video or whatever. So it's pretty clever, and I think it's a good segue to show you how I do my tutorials, how I record them. So this is the actual like steps that I follow. I do something like this for each video. So you see here that I have these are in Spanish. So here's like what is in what create or what forms Gatsby, what are the main components of Gatsby, styling with Gatsby, and then the other one. So I basically do, let me just follow explain the context. Okay, I already did that. Then show the transcript. Here is what I'm doing. So the first part that I do is I do a simple bullet point. So bullet points of all the steps or all the things that I want to show, what I have to do. So in this case, let me just go here. You see that I'm explaining global styles. I'm creating also a Gatsby project. Then I create a global.css file. I add this. Then I create a Gatsby browser. So you see, like, it's a step by step. So this is the first thing that I do. This helps me to record the video, to record my screen doing these steps. And the way that I'm doing that is really slow. So I code and I stop like all the time. Let me see if I can show you that. So I just go to my videos, and then here, I don't know, maybe this one. You can see that I will go. I think this is one of the CSS. Like, once I stop, I just go really slow, go to the place, like try to guide people to whatever I'm doing. Pretty slow. So why I do it slow? Because then you'll see it later in the iMovie project. Later I can just like fast forward the video or make it faster. So it's simpler to do it that way, because doing it like slowing a video, it feels a little more, it feels weird. So first thing that I do is transcript. Second, I record myself pretty slow doing those things, and then with the video I do a transcript. I do like this sentences that I know I already record. And after doing these sentences, I then go and record my audio, only audio. I'm not seeing the video, because I tried seeing the video and recording my audio separate, and it doesn't work for me. So and essentially what I'm recording both things separate is because I don't want in my video to have the keyboard sounds or maybe delays or something like that. So it gives me more flexibility to fast forward or to add things or areas faster than others. So then I have the audio, and here's where I use a technique like pretty similar as what Sean does. And again, I can show you the audios. So you can see here, there's one audio. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me check. No, you cannot hear it, but I can show you the audio then in iMovie. So explain how I record the videos. So also another, like before I record the audios, one thing that I already set up in OBS. Sorry for the inception right now, but is I have these two. The source Mantis is my microphone. Logitech camera, here I turn it off because I don't want to share camera in my tutorials, and then the actual screen. So one thing is my screen is 1280 by 720. This is something that I took from Jason Lengstorff, and it works great. But then I add some presets, I add some filters to my audio, to my microphone. So you can see it here, like I just took this from someone else. I don't exactly know what all those things do, but helps me to erase some like white noise or background noise that I can have here in my studio, because I don't have any like foam or anything like prepared especially to record. So this helped me to you see here that in the waveform there's no audio when I'm not talking. And even though I have a fan here in my studio, and also there's like people in my house like also walking and everything, it doesn't catch those noises, background noises. So I have this compressor with this setup. You can take it, I don't care. Also noise compression to -30, and the noise gate here, this is the important part. This is what let some background noise don't go to the microphone and some doesn't. So this is what I use, and then when I have this ready, I can go and use normal QuickTime. Like sorry if I can type. I use normal QuickTime to record my audio. So I just go here and say record new audio recording, and here it is. I just start it and relax, and then start like the audio. This is something I'm gonna redo for my tutorials if you've seen them, because I sound a little robotic, so I'm gonna make it more natural. But yeah, essentially that's the process that I follow. And then after that, here comes the video part. Here comes the let me just put this here. It's been 7 minutes. Okay, let's try to do less than 10. So, and here is how I edit the video. So you see here that I have a bunch of chunks, and then audio, and these are the good parts of the audio that I recorded. So, and you see here that there are some steps of the video that is just super fast, because I don't want to stop too much on those parts that are usually recorded. So so yeah, and then also another thing that I do for the audios is I put also a reduce background noise. That helps me to not only reduce more the background noise, but also not have too much like cuts here, because when you don't have audio, it sounds weird when you cut and there's nothing there. So that mitigates a little bit more those gaps that I have with audio. There's another technique that you can do. I have here prepared also. I can show you. I think it's here. No, it's in here, videos, and then I have this. Where is it? Maybe it's not here, but it's here. Where is it? I have a background noise clip, just audio of ambient audio. It's like 4 minutes. Let me see if I can find it. Well, it's white noise. Okay. Videos. White. There you go. So white noise is 4 minutes and 30 seconds of just ambient sound, and that usually helps to, you know, let me just put it here. Usually helps to just put it like down here, and you have some like background noise here that it feels more natural. Yeah, that's another technique that you can do. And then yeah, and that's it. And then I export the file, upload it to YouTube, and I'm happy. So that's it. That's how I record videos, my tutorials. Like there's a different process when I record a stream, and also when I record like some show and tell. I usually use also a background music, and you can see here, maybe I can show you the project. Here, for example, yesterday I did this one. It's just me talking to the camera. You see here that I also record myself, and I have a background noise, a background music here that I change, that I just have throughout all the video. And because this music just stops and continues, the video was 32 minutes, I just put the music again, like in a loop. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, so any questions, please hit me in YouTube, or like in the comments, or in Twitter. You have the links over there in the description too. So thank you.